Rachel here with WTI, and this is Niacinamide by COSRX. This is a powerful niacinamide. It is 15%. I love the bottle. It's not just a regular. I like when you take the dropper out, there is a stopper there, so other things will not fall into here. I think it helps to keep it nice and clean. So this is a nice clear serum. Niacinamide is beneficial for so many things. This is a powerful niacinamide, so I'll only use 2 drops, but it really helps to boost so many different ingredients that you use. So I'll just put it on my face before I put on, for example, in the morning, vitamin C, and then I'll put on some sunblock as well. It goes on really nicely and it doesn't irritate my skin at all. This specific one can also help with oil production. Take a look at the consistency of the serum. It's not sticky, it's easy to spread. I'd highly recommend this one. I love the amount that I get. I love the dropper it's in, and I think it works super. And that's my point of view.